Stop scrolling. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create a full AI video from scratch. No editing skills needed, just one tool. Welcome to SoftVision's channel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to go from idea to a complete AI-generated video ready for YouTube or TikTok. First, start with a simple idea. It could be educational, storytelling, or even motivation. Then write a short script, or let AI generate one for you in seconds using chatgpt. Now paste your script into your all-in-one AI video generator. If you don't know a good one to use, drop a comment. This tool will handle everything: scenes, visuals, voiceover, and timing. Next, the AI breaks your script into scenes and automatically creates visuals for each part. You can customize styles: cinematic, cartoon, realistic, depending on your content. Now choose a voiceover. Pick a natural AI voice and add background music to bring your video to life. Preview your video. Make quick edits if needed, adjust text, swap visuals, or tweak timing. Once you're happy, hit export, and your AI video is ready to share. And that's it. AI just saved you hours of work. Please don't forget to subscribe to SoftVision's channel for more AI content creation tips, and start creating smarter, not harder. Drop a heart in the comment section if you want more professional educative videos like this. Hit subscribe.